won every game there was.
Tom, what was your Lake Hill pie like?
I won apples to apples.
Nice.
And I get to see everybody again.
Ah, and we made s'mores.
Yes. And we'll do it again next year.
Awesome.
August 26th weekend.
August 26th again?
Yeah, I guess that's the only weekend that's available.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Mark your calendars, people. August 26th.
As soon as your dad wakes up on the 26th, he has to call.
Oh my gosh. There's Umzi. All the packing up we're doing. All the excess food. Celine. Ajay Shanti. Rema.
Hey, Rema bolti kya?
Sabrina hauling away all the beer. What? Okay. Yeah, cleanup duty happening.